Hello everyone and welcome to the CUPRA Singapore showroom. In this video, we're going to present to you the CUPRA Formentor. Welcome back. The CUPRA Formentor is a very special vehicle for two reasons. It is the brand's first vehicle exclusively designed and developed from the ground up, making it an excellent choice packed with tons of innovative technologies. The CUPRA Formentor combines the many characteristics of an SUV with the sporty essence of a hatchback, all packed in a coupe form factor. It is fitted with a complete CUPRA exclusive body kit, full LED headlamps with daytime running lights up front, and stylish LED rear tail lights with dynamic turn signals at the back. There is also this infinite rear light that stretches from side to side, or as CUPRA calls it, coast to coast, adding to the Formentor's visual flair. Building on the already impressive appearances, the CUPRA Formentor is also equipped with a quad sports exhaust system, which not only looks good, but sounds great as well. Now there are two engine options available for the CUPRA Formentor, but it is the top of the range that we have right here that will put the widest smile on the face of every driver. It's beating hard, a 2-liter turbocharged TSI engine that produces 310 horsepower with an impressive 400 Nm of torque. And thanks to its 4-drive all-wheel drive system and 7-speed dual-clutch DSG transmission, allows the CUPRA Formentor to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in 4.9 seconds with a top speed of 250 km/h. Now, aside from its spirited performance and powerful appearance, another key element to the CUPRA Formentor is its emphasis on creature comforts. And to make all that better, lighting. There is of course the beautiful welcome display lights on the exterior, but it is the full wraparound ambient lights in the interior that help create an added sense of comfort and luxury for its occupants. While the comfortable and supportive full-grain leather sport seats completes those emotions. For the driver, a 10.2-inch digital cockpit display provides all the relevant vehicular information such as speedometer, performance range, communications, and navigation. For the rest of the occupants, a large 12-inch digital infotainment touchscreen dominates the center console, with fast wireless smartphone connectivity such as MirrorLink, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto instantly available. The entire entertainment network is also linked to a spectacular high-fidelity 340-watt Beats audio system. Safety features are just as impressive in the CUPRA Formentor, offering practical applications for occupants and other road users. And with its high-tech park assist, the CUPRA Formentor could park itself with no input from the driver. In fact, let's go try it out now. Park Assist is an automated system where the car parks itself, and that is available on all CUPRA models. Activate the Park Assist function simply by pushing the Park Assist button. This allows the onboard sensors and cameras to properly scan the available spot. The on-screen guidance system will then guide you on the various inputs required, such as when to throttle, when to brake, and if you should be in the drive or reverse gears. Those are the only controls you need to focus on, as the CUPRA will maneuver itself safely and accurately into position. In line with the brand's sporty credentials, all CUPRA models are equipped with launch control. When the launch control feature is activated, the vehicle's onboard computer will assist the driver to accelerate with maximum power and traction from a standing start. Thanks to the comprehensive servicing, maintenance, and warranty packages offered by CUPRA Singapore, owning a vehicle has never been easier. For more information on the entire CUPRA range, do visit us at our official website, or better yet, come on down to the showroom. We hope to welcome you here real soon. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Take care.